Download a Johnson or Evinrude outboard repair manual instantly. To do so, go to 911manual.com. Once you get there, just click on where it says Marine Manuals. Then click on where it says Johnson Evinrude Manuals. Finally, just download the repair manual you need. The repair manuals cover every aspect of repair, from basic maintenance to complete engine overhaul. These are the same repair manuals your local repair shops use to fix your outboard motor. All repair manuals are in simple PDF format, so there is no confusion or complications during download. Just download the manual and start fixing your outboard engine.